A class action lawsuit filed in federal court aims to block a new law.
It puts Kentucky State University under Commonwealth oversight to fix what the General Assembly saw as mismanagement.
Norman Seawright spoke with the attorney who filed the suit. Norman, he says the law is a civil rights violation.
Rick, James Morris says decades of underfunding Kentucky's land-grant HBCU added to the problems it faces, and the suit aims to prevent irreversible damage to the university.
This is intentionally discriminatory because if it wasn't, it would focus on both land-grant universities and you would address concerns regarding both.
James Morris filed a federal class action lawsuit. It claims Kentucky Senate Bill 185, which gives the Commonwealth control of Kentucky State University to address mismanagement while preserving its status as a historically black college, is a constitutional and civil rights violation.
You've got the HBCU now being put under financial scrutiny, all these concerns being raised in this statute. But you didn't do anything with the University of Kentucky.
Morris points to issues Governor Andy Beshear raised publicly with the University of Kentucky, like questioning the appointment of the new law school dean and a proposed $1 million a year post-retirement job for outgoing athletic director Mitch Barnhart, which Barnhart walked away from. Taking over only K-State, he says, violates the 14th Amendment and the state's federal land grant obligations.
Let's address mismanagement. But let's not do it only for the historically black college.
The suit asks for an emergency injunction, arguing the law risks irreversible damage to the university's accreditation, let alone the loss of faculty jobs, degree programs, and student enrollment.
Starting June 1, they may not even have a program to return to.
He's also asking for $500 million in damages, pointing to a letter the governor and legislature got in 2023 from the Department of Education that identified a $172 million funding gap from 1987 to 2023 that prevented K-State from advancing on par with UK.
Instead of fixing it, the governor's office and the legislature did the illegal act of pinpointing KSU.
KSU released this statement saying it was not involved in filing this action, did not coordinate with the individuals who filed it, and was not aware of the action before receiving the filing. Morris says overhauling the state's only land-grant HBCU, moving to a polytechnic model with 10 areas of study and debt-based barriers to enrollment will ultimately devalue the quality of education at KSU.
To destroy its historical relevance to the state as a whole is massive.
We reached out to the bill's sponsor for comment, but we have not heard back just yet. Again, Morris says the legal battle will be over the civil rights issue, but having the injunction granted will at least stop irreversible damage to students and faculty until that case is decided. Live in the newsroom, Norman Seawright, WLKY News.